Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start on the Ps4. Sign in and enable Remote Play so the system will generate a pairing code. Once Remote Play is turned on, navigate to Settings, open Remote Play Connection Settings, and choose Add Device. The Ps4 will show an 8-digit pairing code on screen. That code is what you'll encode into a QR so a phone or tablet can quickly enter it. Make sure the Ps4 stays on this screen until you complete the next step to avoid timeouts. Now create the QR. Open a trusted QR generator on your phone or computer. Choose plain text or a short URL option and paste the 8-digit Ps4 pairing code, or embed the Remote Play link plus the code as text so it's easy to paste. Select medium or high error correction and a clear size so camera apps can read it, then generate and export the image. Once the QR is saved, print or display it on a second screen so your mobile device can scan it cleanly. Finish by opening the Remote Play app on your phone or tablet and use its scan function or manual entry field. You scan the QR or type the 8-digit code exactly, then approve any prompts on the Ps4 to accept the connection. Once paired, Remote Play will remember the device for future use. If pairing fails, make sure the code hasn't expired, both devices are on the same network, or you have active PSN sign-in. Then regenerate and rescan the QR.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.